Another state is about to be created in Southeast as they're trying to pass this bill so that they can be able to create this state from Southeast. Then the people where they mention their name say they go join for this Southeast na part of Anambra and some Abia and Imo State. Then as they come talk and finish now, some Imo State and Anambra people don't come outside come talk say they no need them. Why the Biafrans have said their record clear that what they need is a referendum for everybody for them to decide whether to be in Nigeria or not. My people, no be smart, you know, things are happening. However, so many arguments don't dey for the matter, and a lot of people are saying let them create another state called Aliema State. My people, as that one dey happen, they say that more than 300 Abia State people don't vanish and no know wetin happen, but they say na because of the things wey happen for Abia recently. They bye wey unknown gunmen by soldiers. As we dey talk right now, they say most of those people they don't buy them according to information wey we dey get. 300 Abia State youth. My people, do you know that Biafra Russia army wey come outside come tell Simon Ekpa make you know they using them, say no they work with them. As we dey talk right now, rumor come carry say they don't buy the guy, but the guy don't come outside for new video come show say he still dey gidigbam. My wonderful people, we will quickly jump inside this matter, go know how it dey go for the area. Please share and subscribe to this channel as it dey hot. We dey for TikTok, we dey everywhere. Anywhere where you dey watch us from, make sure say you are a full army of this wonderful channel. Okay, my wonderful people, let's jump inside the matter, go know how it dey go. A viral video show a moment where the Nigeria army move direction to Abia. But shortly after this video, now people come outside though, come tell us say more than 300 Abia State youth don't disappear. Wahala. As that one they happen, they say that the governor of Abia State, which is the governor Oti, don't move, go inside the barrack, come tell them say may they leave him people. We go play the video of the movement where the army make before we jump inside another matter we will get for hand.
This is the coming out of Armed Forces Special Forces Battalion moving for operation to Metale. The Almighty Allah protect you guys. This is the first MRAP. No loud, no loud. This is yellow market. That is the logistic. No loud. This is the second MRAP. No loud. This is Gallant twice. This is the Charlie Oscar. Safe journey. Yes.
We are going there to finish them. Yes. Something like.
No loud movement here.
No.
The Almighty Allah protect you guys and bring you back. You guys are going to finish them. The battalion champion.
Okay, you will go and come back
This is the battalion champion.
Yes,
I wish you guys safe journey. Oga Musa, Oga J, Abdul, Seb Johnny. The Almighty Allah protect you guys and bring you back.
Okay, my wonderful people. Now that video now they show you say after they release this video shortly they come they tell us say many people don't disappear for inside that area. Okay, my people, I'm going to show you the video of the celebration of that Biafra soldier, which the news one news come carry say they don't buy for that place. Watch the video.
No be cha-cha-cha. No be cha-cha-cha.
No be cha-cha-cha, the man projecta.
No be cha-cha-cha. That's a womb. That's a womb. No be cha-cha-cha.
Yeah, my wonderful people, this is not the soldier why they told you. We come outside one time, come tell Simon Ekpa say he no be he member, he know they work with them. Say make him stop. They thought say now he send them go there. So my people, I'm going to show you the video how Simon Ekpa rejected creating another state in Southeast. But after watching this video, there's something I'm going to say here very, very important, and you need to hear it. So watch the video.
And let me tell you, like I said, the Biafra Defense Forces are ready to take this particular liberation to the next level. The level we are now is self-defense against those arm-carrying criminals and terrorists in our land. The next phase of the self-defense is to go after those empowering and sponsoring them. Politicians, stay away from anything in the Southeast and South-South. Every senator must stay away. You don't represent Biafra, you don't represent Southeast, you don't represent South-South. The legitimacy has been taken away from you. Not the governors, not the senators, not the House of Representative members. You have lost legitimacy over anything Biafra, over anything South-South. Let me just put it South-South, Southeast, so you don't say there is no Biafra yet. You have lost legitimacy. You have no right to discuss on behalf of the people of the South-South and Southeast. And like I said, the Biafra people will take this war to your doorstep. Try it and see. After this particular warning this evening, let us see who is going to write his name under any paper saying you are distorting the map of Biafra in the name of representing them. And you will see how God will handle you. I want to make it again, and I want people to call this particular segment today. I said, on behalf of the Biafra people, anybody seen trying to encourage the enslavement of Biafra people after they have given you a vote of no confidence and have delegitimized you, you come to impose a state. You declare yourself the highest enemy of Biafra. From today, we will never accept any imposition of a state, as it is not the solution to the problem of Biafra people today. We are looking for a permanent solution, not a temporary solution. Additional state does not solve anything. Rather, it will add to the pains, and it is going to open wounds that have healed. Because when you hear them say, go with 5 states, I look at them and I laugh. Do you think that in this liberation of Biafra, we will listen to your Southeast and South-South? We will go to the foundation. The problem we are having today is a foundational problem. We will go to the foundation. Some of them will even tell you, oh, Igbo people should go. And Igbo people should go with their 5 states. Who is talking about Igbo people? You have Igbo people in Benue State. You have Igbo people in River State. You have Igbo people in Cross River State. You have Igbo people in Delta State. You have Igbo people in Edo State. And they will tell you, Igbo people should go with their 5 states. Thunder will fire all of you.